When you think about waste, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Is it plastic, paper, or metal? Why not a coconut? Coconut debris are a common form of waste found in India. It is not a harmful waste as it is biodegradable but takes up to 7 to 8 years to get decomposed. Coconuts that go to recycling makes up to only 10% of the total. It's important to note that coconuts, when treated and processed sustainably, can be a valuable and versatile resource.
Imagine standing next to a beautiful lake but abandoned by its edge due to people dumping waste around it. This lake is located in the village Godhavi near Ahmedabad. We opted to construct the pavilion here as to make this neglected land a remarkable one and to encourage it to function as a gathering space. Our design intended to build a pavilion providing shade to the bare land, and so accordingly the southern facade is completely covered to block the harsh sunlight. The arches of 3 different circumferences divides the structure into 3 playful spaces. The whole structure is built on the idea of a regenerative model. Some of the properties of the coconut does not allow it to be used as a structural material, so we have reused the steel bars from various construction sites. Talking about the construction, it was quite a challenge as the land is signified as a wetland. We started with bar bending alongside drilling the holes into the coconuts and then making a barbecue out of it. We started with collecting the waste oil cans of tin. Later on, we cleaned them and drilled the holes on the opposite faces according to the size of the reinforcement bars. After thoroughly binding the reinforcement into the cans, concrete was poured and was allowed to dry overnight. Then we placed them into the pits that we had dug beforehand. The foundation is done with the cast in situ method as the load is distributed and transferred by binding one end of all the arches together in the center. The people of the village were quite humble and had been a helping hand. Initially, they were confused and curious about what exactly are we constructing, and so we briefly explained them our design and purpose. Their response was pretty positive towards our initiative. For the children there, this project had been quite captivating and hence they voluntarily participated and played around. As we were done binding the structure, we further started working on making it stable by welding the joints. But heavy rain at the site halted our work, causing delays. Additionally, frequent power outages in the village disrupted equipment. Despite these challenges, our team remained tough, adapting and working during stable electricity periods to keep the project on track.